11 DIY privacy screen plans. This privacy screen is perfect for hiding your unsightly trash cans and recycling bins, and even a compost bin if you have one. The screen has a modern look to it thanks to the black paint and dark stain. It's a great beginner project, only taking 3 different sizes of wood boards. Here's an indoor privacy screen that's going to give your home a real farmhouse or cottage feel. It's the perfect alternative to curtains and gives you a lot of privacy, making it a great choice for front windows. The privacy screen is made to look just like old gates, but you'll build them new. A DIY barn door could also give the same feeling. Hide your trash cans away with style with this free DIY privacy screen project. A base and frame are built, and then a lattice board is attached as the final step. You could stain it, paint it, or even keep it unfinished. Here's an outdoor privacy screen that's made out of lattice and cedar boards to form a trellis to add privacy or hide anything that you don't love about your yard. You can also use it to hold up vines or climbing roses as they grow. Here's another outdoor privacy screen, and this one is built to give some privacy to a deck. It's made mostly out of fence boards, making it a great budget project. You'll love the Venetian feel it will add to your yard from both inside and out. If you're looking for a solution to add more privacy to a single window in your home, this window privacy screen is your answer. It's a very easy DIY project that includes building a frame and using fabric to cover it. You could really change up the look by stenciling your own fabric or using fabric in your favorite print. A simple porch gets a makeover and some added privacy in this wood privacy screen building project. Add some plant holders to the inside of your screen and you have the perfect area to relax on your patio furniture without anyone bothering you. This privacy screen is a slat screen that's placed on the front of the house to create a private porch and add some privacy to the front rooms of the home. Used like this, it adds some great architectural detail to the front of the house. If you're looking for more than just a plain wooden privacy screen, you're going to love this one that uses a wooden frame and then some metal decorative privacy screen panels. It's a straightforward DIY project that gives you a big payoff. An easy way to add some privacy to your outdoor spaces is by hanging outdoor curtains. You'll simply need to build a frame, attach a curtain rod, and then hang some already made outdoor curtains. In just an afternoon, you'll have a fun new area that's completely yours. Here's another project for a curtain privacy screen, but with this one, you'll make your own curtains out of drop cloths. This whole project will cost you less than $100 from start to finish. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.